Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to use a 2-tube washing machine and just watch the video. First, you must put the clothes in the washing machine. Usually the tub for washing has a slightly larger size than the drying tub. Second, you must fill the washer drum with enough water or according to the washing machine instruction. And then, you add special detergent for a top-loading washing machine like one of the product. You can also add fabric softener. Select the wash cycle setting. Use the wash cycle according to the type of clothes you are washing. After one wash cycle is complete, remove water from the drum. Refill the washer drum with clean water to rinse the clothes. Transfer the finished rinsed clothes to the tumble dryer and select the setting for the drying cycle. And the last, take out the clothes and dry them in the sun.